Hey lovelies, super excited today. We're making something special with someone special. So let's head into the kitchen to see what's cooking. Who do we have here? Mommy Tutu.
Yes, sir. How are you?
I'm fine, ma. Mommy, say hello to the camera.
Hello.
So this is Mommy Tutu, but I usually call her Mommy Wa because she's our mommy. Mommy Tutu, what are we cooking today?
Cooking Moi Moi. M-O-I. Moi Moi. 11 wages, 7 lives. Yes. Watch it. You will enjoy it.
Mommy Tutu, why does this Moi Moi have 7 lives?
Because we're putting a lot of things inside to make it tasty. Corned beef, smoked fish, eggs. Some people put liver and maggi, ororo. That's groundnut oil and sauce to make it tasty. And we're going to use local leaf. We're not using foil paper or rubber, anything. We're using local leaf.
Okay.
To make it tasty.
Come closer and come and check out this Moi Moi that has 7 lives. I've never before seen a Moi Moi that has, even me, it's only 1 life God gave me. So these leaves, Mommy Wa, what are they called? Is there no Yoruba name? Like if we go to the market,
Ewe Moi Moi.
Ewe Moi Moi.
They use it for Ewe Moi Moi.
Guys.
Or Ewe Fufu. Fufu, they use it to wrap fufu. They use it to wrap Moi Moi. And LD.
Oh, I see. Guys, just in case, look at it properly. This is Ewe Moi Moi. Ewe fufu. For those of you that are not Yoruba people, I'm sure if you go to your local market and you just tell them you want the Moi Moi leaf, they will plug you. Mommy Tutu, is it any kind of beans we can use in making Moi Moi, or there are specific kind of beans that we should use?
We have 3 different beans: honey beans, drum beans, and white beans. But me, I prefer to use drum beans.
Drum beans,
the big one, the big beans, not honey beans.
Okay,
the big one.
Okay, so for these drum beans here, what are the basic steps you made to give you that yummy looking paste that we have there?
After soaking to the warm water, you peel it and then you put tatashe, that's the big pepper, but tatashe, rodo, bawa, and onion, and a lot of onions to make it very sweet and tasty. Before you can blend it, you need to remove, after washing the pepper, you remove the seed, the tatashe seed, because if you blend it with the tatashe seed, it will be bitter.
Oh,
you wash it and put it inside the beans to blend with rodo and onions, and a lot of onions. And the kind of onions I use it's not really white one that they use for fried rice, but the normal purple with white, not purple, yes, something like this. I use something like this, not this. This will make it bitter, and onion is very good for cooking. It will make your food taste better and sweet. This one, if you put 2 of this one inside a small pepper, it's going to get bitter. But if you put this one, it will make because you need a lot of onions inside the beans.
You've been turning this thing since I entered this kitchen. Why are you still turning it?
After blending, you bring it home, you need to stir it for at least 15 to 20 minutes.
Why?
So that by the time you cook it, you put it in the leaf. When it comes out after cooking, when you open it, you see that it comes out very well, fluffy, very nice to eat. You understand? Unlike you just blend it and then you put it inside the leaf and start cooking. No, you not like it, because it will be coming out like when you buy bread 10 days ago and you just do like that. That is how it's going to come out.
So Mommy, now that you finish stirring it, what next? What goes in next?
Salt.
Okay.
Then seasoning. Normally, I love frying my oil, so I'm going to add it now.
So what next?
Chef Sally, have you finished with the corned beef? You are eating it.
Mommy, can you say that?
Now you add water.
What quantity of water would you add, or would you just, as a Nigerian mom, you just eyeball it? You just use your mind and your instinct.
Actually, this is 2 derica of beans.
Okay.
2 derica of beans. And the water that I had is like 2 cups of water.
Oh.
Because we've already used water to blend the beans.
Okay. So there's no need to add more pepper since
No,
we
no,
already
no,
blended
no,
the
no.
pepper.
No, it's already
Okay.
there. Everything is already there.
Can I taste it?
You use your spoon. We need small seasoning. Can you taste it?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, you need small
A
seasoning.
little bit of
So
seasoning.
let me just put this. Okay.
That's the absolute beauty of Nigerian moms. They eyeball everything. You know, it's not about measuring. So you can just put your.
We use our brain.
Absolutely.
We use our brain. We don't use computer. But because my grandmother doesn't use computer, he uses her brain.
No doubt. Typical Nigerian mom.
We don't use Google.
Oh my
We don't
God.
Google it.
Well, thank God for civilization. Thank God we have different varieties of seasoning to use from. And the most important thing is use the right amount. On to the next. What's the next step now, Mommy Tutu?
Now it's done. We need the leaf.
Okay.
Start packing it.
So right now we're peeling the boiled eggs and we're going to be going over to where we're going to wrap them in a way leaf. So just watch the magic going on.
No,
so, Mommy Tutu, you know the fun of cooking is that as you're cooking, in those days when my mom was in the kitchen, my mouth has to move. So good enough. Don't be like me. But something will kill a man. And as you can see, mine in this very moment is boiled egg. Yum.
We're going to put small water into the big pots. It depends on how much is the moi moi that you're making. So this is the pot we're using. And you put just a little bit of water. Just a little bit. This one's much. See? Can you see? Just a little bit. And then we have a moi moi stick here. You put it down. You know moi moi cook with steaming. It's not that you have to put a lot of fire on it.
We're done with washing the leaves, mixing the moi moi paste, and of course collecting premium advice from Mommy Tutu. Now, please take note of how we wrap because this is very critical. For us, while we're putting the paste into the leaf, we're going to be adding some corned beef, some sardine Titus fish, and of course our boiled eggs.
This is a difficult one. You need to use
It's
your brain.
difficult one.
You need to use your brain. They're supposed to cut it from the edge, but you still have some stock
yeah
on it.
Okay.
So I will now use kitchen scissors to cut it off. Then you now do like this. Can you see my hand? Where my hand is? This. You now do like this to remove this small one. You know why we're doing this? By the time you turn it, you'll be able to do it like this. It won't have hole.
I think I've got mine too.
Yeah. You did a good job.
So how many leaves do we need per moi moi?
It depends. Like this one is small. That's why I'm using 2. Can you see that it bent properly? Can you see? It bent properly. There's no hole because I've already removed the stalk inside. So you now do like this. Can you see? Very neat and tidy.
When you buy this kind of leaves, you can't use them because if you use this kind of leaves for your batter, it's going to spill into the pot. So this leaf is gone. Now I found another one because I'm trying to learn. I cut off my stalk. So I cut my stalk. I put my hand inside. I break this. Oh, I'm supposed to break it to the end, but at least for it to. So this is one good leaf, right? Now I look for another good leaf. This is also fair. You turn the back of the leaf like this, and then the small one goes on the inside. So how many times do you fold?
Put your hand in the middle.
Okay.
You put your hand in the middle. Then you fold it to the middle. And
Fold
then,
it to the middle.
Then use this one.
Use this one to cover.
To wrap it round.
Oh!
And then you
turn it to the back.
Ah! And then you do like this.
And then you check if your pouch, you have a pouch inside. I think I have a pouch.
Well, if you follow, see.
Okay, I got it. Finally.
Thank God.
So this is my pouch inside. So the moi moi batter goes in here. I think depending on your leaf, you decide on how many spoons of the batter you want to go in. So this is 1, 2, You know, she initially said you don't fill it up with butter because you are putting some condiments. The things that make up the 7 lives are going in. You top up the butter again. Hey, Moi Moi Elewe is coming together.
Just 1 spoon. You need just 1 spoon.
Okay, and then
see the way I'm doing it. This one.
So this one goes in first.
Then you now bring it from the left, then
from
to the right, to the middle, then the right.
Then you take it out
like this.
Okay, guys, I think I got it.
Can you see?
So it's time
then now put it inside the pot. Gentle.
It's time for me to experiment what I just learned. Please root for me so I don't mess it up. Butter 1.
I felt it drop into the pouch and it didn't come out.
Butter 2. Moi Moi Elewe on the beat. Here goes some corned beef, some Titus sardine, and eggs. So remember, you put in 1 last batter before you close your pouch. So you fold this one in, you bring this side in, bring this side to the middle as well. Yeah. And fold it back. Guys, I tried.
Got it.
I really tried.
You did a good job.
I place it in. Oh, successfully!
Chef Sally, you did a good job.
Hey. Let's go! So, Mommy Susu, just out of curiosity, I want to know, how come this thing never falls off and it never comes out till it's cooked and all of that?
Because when you are folding it, you fold it to the back.
Okay.
And when you are folding this, just watch me. When you are folding it like this, as you put this one like this, this one, you fold it to the back to where both of them, you can see where both of them, you can see where both of them. Then this side has to be on the floor of the pot.
Oh, I see.
You can see that it's not leaking out. It's very neat in there. Now I finished wrapping everything. You see that it's very neat. The light is down.
Okay.
Low.
So low heat.
You put it on the low heat first when you are wrapping it. Then you now put water. Just not on top of it, just by the side.
Okay.
By the side. Just a little bit. Then you take 1, 2, 3, like this kind of layer, so I can cook. Then you now cover it. Getting boiled.
So how long would we leave this on for?
Like 20
minutes.
Between 20 to 25 minutes.
Okay, so we'll leave it for 20-25 minutes, and then we'll come back and show you what it looks like.
Our tasty moi moi.
Okay.
Moi moi gogon.
So it's been 25 minutes. Our moi moi elewe. Moi Moi Elewe has been cooking, right?
It's ready.
So we want to show you what it looks like after 25 minutes.
You can see the leaf has changed. You now bring out one.
It's hot. The unwrapping has a lot of technique.
Can you see how it comes out? Beautiful, colorful.
So this is the fluffiness she spoke about.
See?
Wow.
You see it comes out.
Let's try this Moi Moi Elewe and see what.
It's yummy.
It was you that made it. That's why you say so. Allow me to jog.
It's yummy.
Very yummy. Very fluffy. Like the texture is amazing. Guys, you need to try this recipe.
Very
soft. The Moi Moi that has 7 lives. I can't even focus on telling you guys this. I just want to keep. Guys,
it's hot.
So hot. So yummy. So by the next time I'm going to see you, I'll be on board with a couple of young, amazing, intelligent, smart, working, hard-working men that can cook.
Well done.
So guys, see you next time. Thank you, lovelies.